Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is actually a sponsored video by Emeet. They actually sent me this one. It's actually called the Airflow. It's an open ear like wireless earbud. This actually I just received it about 1 or 2 days ago. And today we're going to be unboxing this and just find out what is this particular earbuds all about. So let's head over to the website right now. Right, so as you can see from here, this is actually the official website of the Emeet, particularly this new product called the Airflow. So over here it says that it's actually a wireless open ear design earbuds, and it's currently priced at the original price is actually 300 Singapore dollars, and it's currently going for only 270 Singapore dollars. A bit of some of the highlight, it's actually a comfortable open ear design. It has a detachable microphone boom mic. It uses this technology called voice core. It's a dual channel noise cancellation to actually improve voice chat quality. It's very lightweight. It's only 8.5 gram and it's a 1mm titanium wire. It boasts an 8-hour playback time and it has a 40-hour charging with the case. The case also comes with UV light sterilization. That's very cool. And we have some photos here. As you can see, this is how the earbuds look like with the detachable boom mic and the casing itself, right? So you can see there's like a LED light here, green on the front, and there's like a button here. We'll see what all this works out later on when we do the unboxing. The next photo is how the earbuds will look like by itself, okay, with the boom mic. And this is how it looks like without the boom mic. And this is how it looks like when you put it on. So it actually sits like just above your ear. There's a hook behind. So with the ear hook, I guess it should be quite usable if you intend to use it for like exercise, for gymming, for jogging, for cycling, for running, etc. Right? Because it actually has a ear hook behind to keep it more secure. Okay, we'll test it out. The next photo, it actually has its own app, which is very nice. It's called the Emeet Tune. We'll also cover that as well. Let's see how everything works together. This is the entire packaging. You can see here the casing, the carrying case, the earbuds itself, the boom mic, the charging cables, and the adapter as well if you need it. Here's how the earbuds are being used for in different scenarios. This is probably during work, doing it for workout, at work. Let's go further down. Right, so there's actually different options for you, like a single person, there's a couple kit, there's a family kit, also come with like an extended 6 months warranty, various options for you to make the payment. So here you can see the various things of the earbuds itself. There's also certain things that I actually didn't mention, such as its IPX5 waterproof resistance. It actually promotes premium sound quality. Right, let's look at the video, shall we? Okay. So you see the guy actually taking up, it comes in two colors, white and black. And it has a very slim casing, wearing it. You can see there's something at the end of the base, something like, maybe it's like a holder to actually have an extra grip on the back of our ear. Oh, there's a one tap to mute. Okay, nice. There's multi-point connection as well. Okay, that's cool. We'll actually test it out later. 16.2mm composite diaphragm. It has a hyper bass enhanced low frequency. Okay, we'll test it all out. Yeah, it also talks about its open air design. Okay. The button is actually for UV light sterilization. Nice. Okay. Okay, skin-friendly silicone. Oh, comes in three colors actually. There's a white, and then there's a cream color, and then black. Not bad. Cool. Right, this is the end of the video. And it talks about the comfort, which I feel that it's Something which a lot of earbuds with an ear hook, they really don't go so in-depth into talking about the comfort and the fit, which I personally feel that besides the sound quality, the comfort is the second most important because you're going to be wearing it for long hours. So over here it says that it's actually very soft. It uses like a premium like a cotton soft skin friendly silicone, and it comes with a durable 1mm memory titanium wire. So all this is actually to provide exceptional comfort when the user is actually intend to wear it for long hours, and it's even going to be very comfortable whether we are wearing with a mask or we're wearing it with spectacles like me. I use a rather thick frame spectacle. Lightweight, right? Then they talk about this detachable microphone, this boom mic, right? It has a two built-in omnidirection microphone. Right, so it has one on the earphone itself and then the detachable boom mic. So it's actually designed to capture our voice to provide the best clarity and professional grade voice calling experience. And to do that, it actually uses this technology called voice call. Right, it's their own industry leading algorithm. Alright, and it can actually filter out noises on site and on the remote end up to 50 decibel. Right, so we can, let's see, there's the thing that we can click on. Alright, so there's a YouTube video. Let's see.
Hi everyone, this is Emeet, and in this video we're going to talk about
The company name is called Emeet.
Emeet Airflow. Like other open-ear earbuds, the Emeet Airflow comes with a unique detachable microphone boom, which makes it a benefit for calls. What's more, it also features Emeet's latest noise cancellation algorithm called the voice core that can enable dual-channel noise cancellation. Next, we're going to test the noise cancellation of the Emeet Airflow and see how it performs. Now, this is the audio test of the Emeet Airflow with a detachable microphone, and you can hear what it sounds like in the office.
Whoa.
And you can hear how it performs. Now, this is the
Oh
audio
wow.
and you can hear what it sounds like in the office. I'm going to make some noise, and you can hear how it performs. Now, this is the audio test, and you can hear what it sounds like in the office. I'm going to make some noise,
Wow.
and you can hear how it performs. If you're looking for an excellent
Oh my god, wow, really need to test it out. Really need to test it out. And do let me know down in the comment section below. And for this particular Emeet Airflow, what are some of the applications you would like me to test the voice quality with? I mean, for me, usually I'll test it out with like Zoom, I'll test it out with like WhatsApp, but FaceTime, regular phone calls. If there's any other apps you want me to test the voice quality, leave it down in the comment section below. I mean, when I saw this part, I'm like really excited. I've got goosebumps earlier on. I mean, you look at my hair is outstanding. You see, hair is outstanding actually. It's like, wow, that's amazing, because it has been a long time. It has really been a long time since I've actually come across a earbud with a detachable microphone, which actually gives such high clarity in voice. The previous one that I had is actually this mono earpiece. It's Bluetooth. It's called J1. So far, it has actually been my daily go-to if I need to make a phone call. And that is the one. So if this can really go to that level, this might be the replacement, guys. Right, so moving on, the microphone, the detachable microphone actually has a physical button to do a one tap mute. Right, that means if we don't want to talk, we just click on it. It's just like I think for AirPods Pro 2, it also has this feature whereby it's one press and it will mute, and then if you want to speak, we just press again and we'll be able to talk. So I think that's the same feature as well. Then the casing itself comes with UV light sterilization up to 99.99%. As mentioned earlier, it comes with IPX5 waterproof resistance. So further down, okay, so now it talks about the 16.2mm dynamic driver, and within the chip it has this hyper bass. Right, I mean, these are things that we need to test out later regarding the sound quality. Right, and then over here it's talking about the battery life. So as mentioned earlier, it's 8 hours on a single charge, up to 8 hours actually. and an additional 32 hours with the charging case, and it also comes with fast charge, whereby a 5-minute charging will provide an additional 1 hour of usage time. It uses smart control. You can see here, pause, play, previous track, next track, answer phone call, decline incoming call. We'll get to that a bit later. App is available on both iPhone and Android phone, which is good. Technical specs. So in terms of environment noise cancellation, something I see here is very rarely I'll see companies actually mention about that the noise cancellation, the noise reduction has a near end and far end. So over here it's very clear. It says that in terms of the environmental noise cancellation, the amount of noise you can reduce, close end it can reduce up to 50 decibels, far end noises it can suppress up to 30 decibels. Okay, that's very detailed. Okay, battery size, the earbud itself is 58 milliamp, the charging case itself is 1000 milliamp, it uses Bluetooth 5.3 version. Open space is up to 40 meters. It comes with a USB dongle, nice, for a wider compatibility, and it also comes with a multi-point connectivity. So what we can do now is let's do the unboxing of the actual product. Hi everyone, alright, so after I actually went through the website, so this is actually the actual product from Emeet. Right, this is the airflow, so it's actually say beats in the airflow in the ear. So this is actually actual packaging, like a combination of white and blue. Right, okay, so there's some text on the front. You can see here, right, it's a microphone, voice call, hyper bass. Right, Emeet airflow, this is how the earbuds look like. The side easy to use, so it actually comes with a USB dongle, right, if you don't have one. At the back, open ear design, multi-point connectivity, 40 hours maximum battery life. Okay, anti-sound leakage, that's something interesting. Okay, alright, over here, let's see, does it have any other more information which we do not see in the website? Nope, not really. Right guys, so let's cut this new fella up. First one you see besides the product itself is actually a user manual. So it's available in a few languages: English, Japanese, Dutch, this is German, French, Spanish, Italian, and then I think this is Russian, and then that's actually traditional Chinese language. Page 1 is English, so it actually shows you how to actually use all the accessories, how to put it on as well, the overview, all this kind of stuff, how to do the pairing, how to connect with the PC. You actually need to have a USB dongle, and then this is actually the touch commands, as you can see here. So when it's charging, it's actually a green pulsing light. Fully charged, the light is off. When it's pairing, it's a flashing blue. When pairing success, the blue will actually go for 5 seconds and then it will go off. And then when it's under sterilization, when you press this button, when it's sterilizing, it's a purple breathing light. When the sterilization is complete, it will turn green for 5 seconds and then it will go off. If it's unable to sterilize or the sterilization has been interrupted, it will actually, the purple light will actually blink for 3 seconds and then off. Manual sterilization, you long press the UV button for 2 seconds to manually perform. Very high quality carrying case with the company on the front. Quick to use, okay. There's a QR code here, you can scan it if you want to. Let's open it up. A very short charging cable, and this is like the holder, silicone, very soft silicone. Alright, we'll put it on later. And we have the main product here. Alright, so let's look into it. So in terms of the size, you can see here, it's pretty big, pretty huge, but it's slim, it's long. Right, so this is some consideration if, let's say, the user, you are using a very mini bag, alright, you're using a very mini handbag, alright, this is something to consider. The size of it is pretty big. I have some comparison. So over here I have my iPhone 12 mini. You can see here the size of it, right? The height, almost just a little bit shorter than my iPhone 12 mini. Thickness. Right, so on the front, on the top of the casing, you actually see the company name here, Emeet, where it's like a metallic feel to it, right? Shiny, glossy. On the front, you see here, this one is the LED light. And there's a roof here for you to open up, for your fingers go in and pop it open. This is actually the light for the sterilization. There you see, purple light. So at the bottom there's nothing. Then at the back, USB-C charging port. And then that's about it. On the left and right there's nothing. Okay, let's open up the case. Okay, when you close the lid, it's green. Then it go off. And then when you open up the case, your green light, and then it will turn into flashing blue, which means Bluetooth pairing mode is on. And inside you'll see a few things. You have the detachable microphone which you see here, and the earbuds are here. This is a close-up. Oh, it's actually very soft to touch actually. Nice. So this slot here is actually for you to put in the detachable microphone. So there's actually 3 pogo pins at the bottom here to match with this. Then this is where the sound will come out. So there's a left and right indicator. This part is matte and smooth, but this part is like silicone. And then this is the microphone it's talking about. This part I'm not very sure what is this for. And this is the detachable microphone. This is to capture your voice. Very flexible. Alright, so let's see how it works. So this is the right side. So if you want to use the microphone, plug it in. There you go. Remove it. Simple. Use it with the left side. It's in. Take it out. Voila. If you're not using it anymore, just put it back. There you go. So it can fit either side. You can put it here. So this has actually been the unboxing. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to test out to see if there's any battery inside the device. We're going to do it with a range of devices, with Apple devices, with Android devices, and we're going to see how the Bluetooth pairing is being done.